We all heard about this tragedy of the little boy, 6-year-old boy, who was stabbed 26 times in Chicago by a man who was, he was screaming, about how Muslims should die. This man came and stabbed this child 26 times, a 6-year-old boy. But what really, really blew me away, and I totally broke down when I saw this, is after he was stabbed 26 times, he said to his mother, "Mama, I'm fine." If we don't think that that is the help of Allah, then we're not paying attention. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking care of these children. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking care of these men, women, and children who are undergoing this genocide. So while we are acting with our bodies and with our words and with our actions to put an end and to take action against oppression, we have to at the same time make sure that our hearts are looking at Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that our hearts are seeing Allah, and our hearts are seeing La ilaha illallah in everything that's happening, because Allah is taking care of them. Allah took care of that child. Who says I'm fine after being stabbed 26 times? Allah took care of him.